Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys how to recreate this here. This is a great gift for school teachers, for your boyfriend, your girlfriend, somebody in the family that you want to give a gift to for Valentine's Day. Everything in this video was purchased at the Dollar Tree store, so it's inexpensive. I think I wasted about $6 to $7 in this gift itself. And it was super quick to make, so if you guys would want to see how to make it, please keep on watching. This is what you're going to be needing for this DIY. You're going to need chocolates, a plastic wine cup, a small mailbox, double-sided tape, a heart, a monkey, hot glue, scissors, and some pliers. Now let's get started. To start off with first, we're going to go ahead and remove all of the tags off of all of the items that we're going to be using. I'm just going to use some scissors to take everything off. Once all of the tags have been removed, what we're going to move on to do next is the plastic cup. What we want to do is kind of make a straight line on here. So I'm going to use some pliers to cut it. I hope I get a good cut on it. This cup is actually a little thick, so I'm not sure how well these pliers are going to do. So let's see how this works. Alright, so that's what happened. So I'm going to go ahead and now put hot glue gun on here. What you're trying to get is, so when you put the mailbox on, it stays, and with it being circled, it's not going to really stay. So that was a little scary for me. I'm not used to things being thrown around. So we're going to go ahead and put hot glue gun here. And with our mailbox, we're going to go ahead and put hot glue gun on this side. That way we can put it down here and it can stay open. And then open it up. Put a little bit of pressure there, that way it can stay. Alrighty. Now with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and put hot glue gun on this side of the bottle, the one that we made a straight line with. And what you're going to do here, you're going to go ahead and put this right underneath where this part connects. And you're going to go ahead and apply pressure to that. I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys a bit closer, that way you guys can go ahead and see what the next step is. So here it's how it's looking. So pretty much all we're going to be doing with this cup, we're going to be putting tissue paper, or you can use newspaper, which is what I'm going to be doing. Putting it in there just to put a little bit more of support. And this is going to go on this side of your heart. And pretty much the idea is that the chocolates are going to be coming right off of it. Get the newspaper, just crumple it up. With having the newspaper in there, it helps for two reasons. One, to put it a little bit more stable, and for when you put hot glue gun to put it on here, this is going to help it, because you can also put hot glue gun on the tissue paper or the newspaper that you use. And on the newspaper. You're going to go ahead and grab it and put it in the corner of your heart. Apply pressure to it. We're going to go ahead and move on to our monkey. I chose to do white, but they do have pink and red ones also. So the whole point of the monkey is that it's as if the monkey was trying to open up the mailbox and throw something out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how you're going to be applying your monkey to your mailbox. So with one of his hands, you're going to go ahead and bring it up to the mailbox, and you're going to be putting hot glue to hold him up on there. You're going to apply pressure there. You're going to do the same thing with his other hand. You're going to also put it on top, like as if he was emptying it out. Apply pressure. And what you want to do also is apply hot glue to his ear and then put it onto the box. And his legs are going to go around the container. This one's going to go on this side. So there is how the monkey is applied to your mailbox. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding in the chocolates. This is where you're going to be needing your double-sided tape. The reason why we will not be using the hot glue gun is because it's chocolate and a hot glue gun is hot. So we're going to be using the double-sided tape. But if you would like to use a hot glue gun, go ahead and do so. Alrighty, so with the chocolate, what you want to do, the idea is going to be for you to put your chocolates and put some inside and some on the outside to make it look as if he was dumping them all out. Get your double-sided tape, put it behind the chocolate, and apply them inside. Alrighty, once you have gotten to this point, you want to go ahead and dump the rest of your chocolates inside the container. This is the final look of the monkey holding up the mailbox. I think it turned out super cute and it's super easy to make, guys. So I really would recommend you guys try it out. If you guys did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you all in my next video.